Weather in the Philippines, an episode of series, Philippines Travel Guide for First-Time Visitors. Located close to the equator, the Philippines is a consummately tropical country. The northern island of Luzon shows three distinct seasons: a somewhat chilly cold season from November to February, a hot, dry summer from March to June, and a torrential typhoon season from July to October. As you go further south, the distinctions vanish and the weather becomes uniformly warm and humid, with year-round rain showers. North or south, the same principles apply when packing your baggage. Bring rainwear and lightweight cotton clothing, particularly when visiting during monsoon season. Typhoons are a big enough deal here that the Philippines follows its own naming system. The world may call it Typhoon Bopha, but the Philippines knows it as Typhoon Pablo. The reasons for this idiosyncratic rule can be found here. Tropical cyclones in the Philippines.